Good morning, guys. Today is my birthday, so I'm going to take you guys along on what we're doing for my birthday today. It is November 17th and I am officially 23 years old. We are starting off this cold day. It's a little bit cold because like I hate having a birthday in November only because it's so chilly and there's less things that you can do, but we're gonna make the most out of it. So we're starting with a breakfast at our favorite breakfast place in Massachusetts. To one of our favorite breakfast places, and hi. One of my best friends surprised me and showed up with her boyfriend. This is Austin, Lena, and my boyfriend's here. So we're just gonna eat now. Okay, we finished up breakfast, which was amazing. I love that place. Now we are here at Supercharged. It is a American Ninja Warrior spin-off kind of obstacle course thing. They have go-karting, an arcade, stuff like that. So we're gonna do that now, which I'm super excited for. So I'm just gonna change into another quick outfit just because obviously I'm not gonna do all of that in a dress, a sweater dress. So I'll get changed, and then my friend Lena and her boyfriend are almost here, so I'll meet up with them to go do that as well. I'm excited. I've never even done this before, so it'll be interesting to see, you know? So it's similar to the show, the American Ninja Warrior show, where they do all those climbing obstacle courses. So they kind of reenact that so you can play around with those courses. Oh, fancy meeting you here.
Oh, I wanted to give this to you.
Oh, thanks. Oh, you didn't have to. Thank you.
Dude.
Do we look crazy? We're ready. Ready?
Yeah.
You ready? Never come here, I highly recommend it. It was so awesome. It was just like get to the point, start racing and go. It was awesome. And then so now we're gonna do the Ninja Warrior thingy. They give you your certain socks that you have to wear. So we're gonna go do that right now because we have our reservation for that coming up. Okay, we made it up here. Holy moly, this looks amazing. Look at all the obstacle courses. This looks so cool. I've always wanted to try all of these things on Ninja Warrior 2, but I didn't know you actually could, or that there's even a place to do it at. I mean, I'm not surprised there is. This is the second floor where the Warrior one is. her knee in soccer, so she's not like doing everything, but.
Dave, you're supposed to go.
Oh, I am?
Yeah, you're supposed to not let her go through.
Hey! It's really hard to get out. Come on, Lena. Just duck underneath, Emily. Duck, duck, duck. Ready, set, go. What happened? Okay, we finally just finished up at, what was the place called? Supercharge. And now we are at the Rentham outlets, so I'm just gonna pick out some things that I want instead, because it's easier just to pick out what I want instead of when, you know, when somebody buys you something and then you don't like it, you know, whatever. Except for when Lena gets me, then I like it. She knows me so well. Anyways, we are gonna start, of course, at my favorite, Michael Kors. Boys are parking the car. Because guys, it's snowing, are you kidding me? It's not allowed to be snowing on my birthday. All right. Oh, hey guys. I don't know, I want another purse that like zips like this. Ooh, that one's so cute. I love that.
I love this.
That's so cute. I want something that can go with a lot of things though. That's what I like. I love how I'm wearing my Michael Kors jacket with my Michael Kors purse and my wallet and Michael Kors. You think I like this place or something? Okay, something else you might not know about me, I love hot sauce and spicy food. So this place is new, we've never been here before, but there's like these little spoons you can have, and you just sample all of them. Oh, they're so good. Okay, I'm really liking this peach barbecue sauce one, and then we're also really liking this one, garlic parm, so good. This one's really good. We have buffalo chicken dip that they had us try over there too, but this is like my heaven. There's dry rubs and regular sauces.
So with it being an extra, you're gonna want to put it straight on your tongue, so, and just don't lick your lips because you don't want to let that sit there.
They're trying the hottest sauce in the world.
Slowly for about a 5-minute period, and then it just plateaus for another 15.
Oh my gosh.
5 minutes of heat.
What stops it?
Milk. Crying.
Shit. So just put it on my tongue?
Yeah, milk.
Just do it.
Yep, just place it right on my tongue.
Oh my god.
Yep, your face is turning red.
It's pretty hot. It's so hot that I would definitely eat these maggots right now. What book? There's a book. Can you see?
Nope.
Or voting, tasting the end. Just see her pain on the tongue.
He's crying.
Search for
Wait.
It does taste
second
Oh my
wave
gosh.
of panic.
Tastes good.
Yeah, first.
Willing to look floored to make pain stop. Survive.
It's hot.
They're
It's very
dying.
It's dumb.
Oh my gosh.
People are staring
He's
at you.
literally in pain right now.
They probably they probably think we're bait.
Breathe.
I thought you guys were so cool, huh?
It does taste
Not
good.
as bad as I thought. But
How can you even taste it? They're literally crying.
I'm gonna bring some home from my dad.
I can't understand what you're saying. Stopped at American Eagle. I found this cute sweater, so I think I'm just gonna get this, but I don't even really see anything else that I like, so I think we're gonna go somewhere else next. Okay, now I'm just trying to find some earrings. We stopped at one place, I didn't find anything, but guys, it is like full on snowing. Can you see it in my hair? It's full on snowing. Like, what? It doesn't even say that on the weather app. Anyways, I'm gonna grab a bite to eat at Ruby Tuesdays because it's one of my favorite restaurants that everywhere around me is closed. All the Ruby Tuesdays are closed. And then we're gonna go back to the Michael Kors store and get that purse that I like. I was like waiting to see if I saw something else that I liked better, but I really do like that purse. And it's like functional and I use it a lot. So I think that's what I'm gonna do as my birthday present. Okay, we've had a productive shopping day today. We've done a lot of walking in the cold, snow and not snow, but now we are parting ways. My boyfriend and I are gonna go have dinner with my dad's side of the family now. I don't even know where.
We're
I
just
don't know.
gonna go home.
Far away, yeah. So that is where we're going next. Bye, Shalina.
Thank you for coming. Of course, I had a great time.
Made it to this place we're having for dinner. We're meeting my dad called Cobblestone's Restaurant. We've been all over the place today. We've been in Milford for breakfast, we went to Rentham, and then now we're in Lowell, but I am so excited to eat here. So we're gonna head on in and meet up with them. Hi! Happy birthday. Thanks. Hey, Daddy.
Hey.
This place is so cute.
This is all your dad's doing.
Hi, Kemi.
Other teams
Hi.
Birthday girl.
There you go. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
I would have cried about it. Thank you.
It was all the.
Okay, these are gloves that I use to pump gas because I'm a germaphobe, and they only have these gloves at the gas station near my dad's house, so he gives me a good stash of them every once in a while.
Amazon.com.
Are they on Amazon?
Well, he bought
really?
I bought a pack of 500.
You did?
Yes.
So we keep rationing them out to you.
I don't go get them anymore.
I thought you were just taking them
No.
still. Oh my gosh. Okay, or Amazon, apparently. Thank you. So I actually told my friends about that because we were talking about something, about how the places were germy, and I said the gas station. And so now they all know I use a glove, but I'm about to like hand one out to everybody. Here's my birthday outfit, by the way. I didn't show you guys. So I just wore this sweater dress because I always want to look nice on my birthday, but it's cold, and so I try to wear a sweater dress. But this is one of my friends actually borrowed it, but it's from American Eagle, and I love it. It is so soft. And I've got my little booties on. These are from Aldo. They're so comfortable. Little birthday outfit. Okay, we are back home now. I have had an amazing, amazing day. So thank you so much to all the people who have put so much effort into making this day such a wonderful day. And I just really appreciate it. So I am exhausted and my hair looks crazy and I look crazy from a long day. The jumping around and everything at Supercharged was amazing. So my hair is kind of like nuts now, but it's all right. Anyways. So thank you so much to all the people who have wished me a happy birthday. I truly appreciate it. And a big shout out to my boyfriend as well. Thank you so much for making this day everything that it was, for planning it out, for inviting people, for surprising me with my friend at breakfast, and just for driving me around and the gifts that you got me. I am so appreciative of you. So thank you too. And thank you to all the people who took the time to celebrate with me today. And or at all, whether it be today or not. I am so appreciative, and thank you for all of you guys, even on here, being in my life and for watching these videos. I appreciate the support. This is actually the anniversary of the weekend I started recording for YouTube. So happy 1 year anniversary of everybody watching these videos. It's just so crazy to see how far I've come. I did not think at this point, I wasn't sure if I would still be recording or not, but thank you to my YouTube family, to my real family, and all of my friends for making this day so special for me and thoughtful. So on that note, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!